Hi, this is Katura with Blue Notary, and today we're going to be going over how we can fill out an affidavit to request a certified copy of a death certificate. This one in particular will be sent to the New York State Department of Health Vital Records. So let's go through this with our signer, who is John, and see how we can fill this out. So here under I, we want to put the signer's name, and our signer's name is John Lindquist. And we want to put John's address, so let's type that in. And the city, the state, and the zip code. And John is requesting the certified copy of the death record of, and let's say maybe it's his parent who has died. So let's put James Lindquist. Was born on, and let's put the birthday of the deceased person and who passed away or died on, and let's say that the person died last year. So let's see, the death occurred in the city, town, or village of, and let's say Middletown in New York State. A certified copy of this record is required for the purpose of obtaining citizenship with, and let's say we're going to say United States of America. So here in this box, we want to say how the person filling out this form, which is John, is related to the deceased. So let's write, I, John Lindquist, am the son of James Lindquist, who is the deceased. And so now that this has been filled out, we want to make sure that we're making sure that John is saying that he understands and affirms that this is information is true to the best of his knowledge or belief, giving him the oath. And then we can start dropping the signatures. So I'm going to press the hotkey of S here. And here we're going to take John's signature and we're going to put it here. Let's stretch this out and make it smaller so it fits on this line. And I'm going to press T for a text box, and I'm going to put State of New York. Put that here. Another text box with the hotkey of T, County of Orange. I'm going to put that here. Subscribed and sworn to before me this and what day is today. Let's put another text box, another T for 11th. Put that here. Day of, and I'm going to put T for a text box, March. Another text box, I'll drag and drop this one and put 2026. And now I can press the hotkey of S for my signature. I'm going to adopt this signature, put my signature here, and I don't want to forget to put the hotkey of N to drop my seal. And so, of course, before finishing this document, I want to make sure with John that this is filled out satisfactorily and that it looks good before I go to menu and complete the session. So I hope that helped. Don't forget to like and subscribe and follow our channel for more remote online notary tips.